Let me show you how I make this amazing Greek dressing, how I make this amazing Greek salad. Hi everyone, my name is Nicole if you're here for the first time. Today I will be showing you how to make this Greek salad dressing. This dressing is just amazing. I make my Greek salad every single week, if not more. And this dressing just works amazing. The good thing about the dressing is that it's very versatile. So you can use it not only for the Greek salad, but you can use it for tuna fish salad. You can use it for any green salads, and I think it would just taste amazing. It's a strong flavor and it has nice notes of fresh garlic and some mustard, and it's nice and tangy. So without further ado, let me show you how I make this amazing Greek salad dressing. Have a great day!